My life is spiraling downward. I couldn't get enough money to go to the Bloodbed Romance and Suffocate the Dry concert. It sucks because they play some of my favorite songs, like Stab My Heart Because I Love You, and Rip Apart My Skull, and of course, Stab Me Rip Stab Stab. And it doesn't help that I couldn't get my hair in that flippy thing, like that guy from that band could do. Some days.
I'm an emo kid, non-conforming F&B. You'd be non-conforming too if you look just like me. I have paint on my nails and makeup on my face, and mama's evil enough to start shaving my legs, cause I feel real deep when I'm dressing in drag. I call it freedom of expression, most just call me a fag, cause our dudes look like chicks, and our chicks look like dykes, cause emo is one step below transvestite. Stop my breathing and slit my throat. I must be emo, I don't jump around when I go to shows. I must be emo, I'm dark and sensitive to low self-esteem. The way I dress makes every day feel like Halloween. I have no real problems, but I like to make believe. I stole my sister's mascara, now I'm grounded for a week. Sulking and writing poetry are my hobbies. I can't get